Hello, smisha Abaidh Dhòmhnullach, I'm a fichit blina guj, sound in nev andra a hammy. Hashich me at a Gaelic that I'm a coit blina guj, agus ring me Na Gaisgich Òga daharis at the davila sa tujig, agus davila sa coitjig. Hello, my name is Abigail MacDonald. I'm 20 years old from St. Andrews, and I started learning Gaelic when I was 5 years old, and I completed Na Gaisgich Òga twice between 2013 and 2015. I thoroughly enjoyed my 2 years in Na Gaisgich Òga. Some of the highlights being visits with native Gaelic speakers, going to ceilidhs and house parties and square dances, and just being around people my own age who were equally interested in Gaelic culture was a big thing for me. The program is special because it's an opportunity to learn Gaelic in an immersion setting, and so it helps you to build confidence in your speaking ability and all the while building friendships through Gaelic. Currently, I'm in my 3rd year at St. Abaidh University. I'm doing a Bachelor of Arts in Science and Health, and in the summer months I'm employed at the Gaelic College. So even though I'm not studying Gaelic in school, it's still a part of my everyday life. I speak Gaelic with some of my friends and family, and music has become a big part of my life as well. So, smisha Abaidh Dhòmhnullach agus bóinsa Na Gaisgich Òga. My name is Abigail MacDonald, and I recommend Na Gaisgich Òga. Thank you.